Imagine the last thing humans ever invent is not a spaceship, not a time machine, not a robot walking through the streets, but something that, once created, starts inventing things by itself. For millions of years, humans were separated from every other species by one powerful ability. We could create tools. We controlled fire. We invented the wheel. We built language. We created cities, machines, electricity, computers, and eventually, the internet. Every invention made humans more powerful, but artificial intelligence is different. Because this time, we may not have created just another tool. We may have created something that can think, learn, write, analyze, design, code, and even help build better versions of itself. And that is where the terrifying question begins. If humans create something that can invent better than humans, could that be humanity's last invention? To understand why this idea matters, we need to look back. When humans invented the hammer could not design a better hammer. When humans invented the steam engine could not improve itself. Even the first computers had no idea how to become smarter without humans guiding them. But AI is different. Artificial intelligence can read millions of pages. It can find patterns. It can generate new ideas. And it can work at a speed the human brain was never built for. A person might need years to master one skill, but an AI system can be trained on massive amounts of information in a much shorter time. And if one day AI becomes the main force behind building more advanced AI, then progress may no longer depend only on humans. That is the moment everything changes. Because this is not just about robots. It is about science, medicine, war, economics, education, art, and even the meaning of being human. AI could help discover medicines that no human scientist ever imagined. It could help cure diseases that seem impossible today. It could create cheaper energy, smarter cities, and solutions to some of the biggest problems on Earth. But the same reason this future is exciting, this is also the reason it is frightening. Because any tool with enormous power also carries enormous risk. If AI makes decisions faster than we can understand, are we still in control? If AI creates images, voices, and videos that look completely real, how do we know what is true? If AI can copy human knowledge, human creativity, and even human work, then what happens to the value of being human? And the deeper question is this: is artificial intelligence just the next chapter of human civilization? Or is it the beginning of something after humans? Maybe there is no simple answer. AI could become our greatest invention, a tool that takes humanity into a new age of progress. But if we are not careful, it could also become an invention, after which humans are no longer the only ones writing the future. Because for the first time in history, we have built something that may not only be used by us, but may one day build the next tools by itself. So maybe AI is not the end of humanity, but it may be the beginning of a moment when invention, it is no longer only a human act. And that is why artificial intelligence may be the most important question in human history. Is AI just another invention, or the last invention humans ever create alone?